Hi everyone, and welcome to Room Rescue here at the HGTV Home Design Studio inside the warehouse at Huck. I'm Kate Corey, and today we'll turn an odd-shaped room into a contemporary oasis, and we'll show you how a chaise lounge can work out in your home. Let's get started. We're going to start today with a look at our room in need of rescue. Joining me now is our design consultant, Harley. Harley, tell me about today's space.
So for today's space, the family came in. They just recently bought a house.
Okay.
They didn't have a family room that they could design for themselves with their own style in it.
Nice. So what is the style they're going for?
It's a contemporary Oasis theme.
Oh, I like that. It definitely feels, from what I can tell from your accessories here, feels a little earthy.
It is very earthy with the natural wood textures, with the blues in there that make it feel more like you get the sense of an ocean or a very
more
calm
natural.
feel.
I love that. And tell me about the shape of the room.
So it's kind of awkward. It's like a rectangle, and then at the end it has like a triangle.
So how are you working in your design powers to kind of make everything flow?
So we gave them a sectional with a bumper piece at the end of it.
Oh, okay. And then what does that do?
It's kind of like when you're talking to someone, we have a conversation piece. They took the end of the conversation piece and put it onto the sectional, so you can maximize the seating but still be able to talk to them.
So it's a little flexibility in there. I love that. All right, Harley, I can't wait to see what you come up with. We're going to come back and see you in a minute, but first, we're going to run over and see Dan for our 60-second helper. Today we're talking about the chaise lounge with my friend Dan. Dan, first of all, so many ways to pronounce it. Am I even saying that right?
I think you are. We call it chaise lounge. Translates from France, it means long chair.
I love that. So tell me a little about the chaise lounge.
Sure, first let me say, do not let the traditional look of a chaise lounge fool you.
Okay.
This is the perfect balance of sophistication and style. It's just as much about practicality as it is about appearance. And by
Right.
that I mean, it's going to look great in almost any room.
So where is the chaise supposed to go?
Well, you've seen it as a very popular option on all of our sectionals, but here we have a great custom program that's going to allow you to build a freestanding chaise with many different options.
This is so comfortable. So tell me a little bit about those options.
Well, first you can decide whether you want no arms, you want an arm on the left, you want an arm on the right, or you could have two arms.
See, that's my favorite part, because you can pick if you want it against a wall or against another couch. It doesn't matter. You can customize it.
That's right. Great feels. You have different cushion firmnesses. You can choose different leg styles. You can put a nail head trim finish on it if you'd like to.
Dan, let me tell you, I am sold. I'll be over here.
We also have 600 fabrics you can put on this. 30 days or less, you are going to be able to build a chaise that's going to last you a lifetime.
I love it, Dan. Thank you so much for the tip today.
You're welcome.
It's time now for the moment we've all been waiting for, the big reveal. Harley is back. Harley, tell me what you've done with your room.
All right, so for this room, one of the main focal points is the rug. They decided to do a bigger rug to protect their floor, and then a very contemporary rug above it to give it some style.
That is so cool. I've never seen that before. It looks awesome.
It's a great, unique idea. It helps bring in the shiplap that you see in the pictures.
I see that in your accessory over there. Tell me about, I see we have our bumper over there.
We do. We accessorized it with a nice throw blanket that brought out the brighter colors, separated it from the walls, that also tied in with not only the chair, but the pillows that are on there too.
I really like how you broke this space into almost two seating areas.
I wanted an area for them to be able to sit, mingle, but then a separate area where they can have a few drinks and feel comfortable in the room where they can entertain multiple people.
I have to say too, you nailed that earthy feel in here.
We added a lot of textures in the room, not only with the mirrors that help brighten it, but you have the wood textures with the different wood grain patterns, as well as the different stains in them too.
I just am in love with how earthy this feels in here.
It's a very nice feel for them. They wanted a calm, relaxing vibe to the room, so we added little leaf bowls in there that had the same wood stain as the coffee table, the end table.
And it really brings it all together.
It does, definitely.
Harley, I love what you did with this space. It looks beautiful.
Thank you, it was a lot of fun.
If you have a design problem you'd like solved, submit your questions and room photos at huckfinswarehouse.com. That's it for today's episode of Room Rescue here at the HGTV Home Design Studio inside the warehouse at Huck. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next week.